Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Litecoin might have bottomed here in this C wave of the triangle. We're going to take a look at that. I think in the last video I already made you aware about that. Since then it has continued to move up a little bit. Nothing too exciting, nothing too major, but it probably is still moving in this triangle. And however, let's first take a look at the overall wave count here since the June low. We see Litecoin as in a potential impulse to the upside, which would be a 5-wave move. We're looking at the wave 1, which peaked in September, wave 2, which bottomed in November. A third wave might have peaked in February, and the fourth wave is still ongoing as a triangle with a possible fifth wave to come. The fourth wave is now where the action is playing out. Important is that this assumption will be invalidated below 65.77, so you've got a very clear cutoff point where definitely this particular wave pattern is going to be invalidated, because in a triangle, if price breaks below or beyond the A wave, then that is typically an invalidation. Yeah, so that's invalidation, and also it would at the same time indicate that this fourth wave would cut into the wave 1 price region, which we always want to avoid. Otherwise, it is invalidated as a impulse to the upside. The triangle consists of an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and an E wave. Hold on, the C wave must not go below the A wave low, so rather like that. Okay, and as soon as price breaks above the B wave high, which is currently at around $103, we have a confirmed breakout to the upside that could take price to $120, $130. So far, it looks as if price is moving up in a corrective wave pattern, down in a corrective wave pattern. That's why we're considering this as an A, B, C, D, E triangle, and price would typically break out to the opposite side of the E wave. So this view again is only valid as long as 65.77 is holding. At the moment, if we say, okay, we might have bottomed here in the C wave. I told you, I think a few days ago about this assumption. We talked about the trend line, which was broken, and since then it has been moving up higher. Not very aggressively, not you know, it's nothing that would be very exciting. And I've tried to label the wave count here like the microstructure, which is completely unreliable, especially because this whole move looks very corrective. But this could have been a wave 1 leading diagonal, a wave 2, and this might be a 1-2, 1-2 setup in wave 3. It's a little bit unreliable, but I gave my best to identify some kind of a structure here. But if this is the C wave low of this triangle, then we should now be in the D wave, and the D wave here would unfold typically as a 3-wave structure. So essentially what we want to see is something like a 5-wave move up first. That would be the A wave. Bear in mind that each wave in a triangle is a 3-wave move. So you have typically an ABC structure, and the A wave would be typically a 5-wave move. And we should get a B wave down and a C wave up. So that's sort of, we're very early here in that journey, right? It's very, very slow, the price action, very corrective. So this is ideally how it would unfold. What would be the ideal target for the D wave? So I'm not super confident about this count, okay? I have to say that as well. What wasn't good was the break of this swing low of the 8th of May. When price broke, that was when we had the catalyst around the SEC and, you know, certain coins being securities. When that broke, that certainly messed up the triangle a little bit. But there isn't really another, in my opinion, another good bullish wave count. And bearish is below 65.77, so just need to be prepared for that. But so target-wise, for the D wave, we're looking at $85 to roughly, yeah, 95. 85 to 95. Ideally more in the $95 region. That would be the 61.8 extension. Besides that, we now need to see how this is playing out. It's slow at the moment. Looks a bit boring. And important for this wave count to work out in the short term would be that price does not break anymore below 71.40. The 14th of June low, and below 65.77 the entire triangle is invalidated. Alright, that's my update about Litecoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.